Yo, what's up everybody? It's beautiful Friday morning, actually around 9 o'clock at morning, and I just arrived to Umalas. Umalas is the residential area between Seminyak and Canggu. The reason why I'm filming here because I got so many requests actually in the past months what I never came here. So many of you actually my subscribers living here or considering to live here. But also another reason is so many new developments of the villas and kinda new apartments here as well. And at the same time, so many people who recently living in Canggu, they are migrating to Umalas due to heavy traffic jams and also loud beach clubs, because obviously so many beach clubs in Canggu. And well, at the same time, there's so many like residential area restaurants where you could have lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever you like this one Italian restaurant, for example. And it's actually pretty nice here, so it's worth to show you. So that's how does it look like in briefly. You have a small road still, but not so crowded. There is some restaurant. You can buy the petrol from the mini petrol station like this one. And there's so many villas like this one, Rumah Besar Luxury Balinese Villa. I'm gonna get a little bit inside small alley. Deep inside, usually, previously there were only rice fields, but now they are the villas on the other side. And there's the huge construction here. This is something new project, which it's gonna look like a small condominium. Obviously, they cannot build more than 5 stories in Bali. So it's not gonna be tall like in Thailand, for example, but gonna be like apartments with the swimming pool and everything like a condo. So it's actually very interesting concept, something very new in Bali. That's without the dubs and still local people living in the houses. That's the local house with the gate like this one. And somewhere deep inside there is villas for rent. You could potentially live, and most likely everywhere in Umalas looks like this one. Either you live next to Main Street or deep inside small alley like this one. And this is something huge project what is coming. I'm very curious about this one, not sure much details, how much, how big and everything, but it's gonna be something totally different. That's definitely for sure. Kinda condominium. And well, this is actually construction here. As you can see deep inside, they building something like apartment villas. This one, definitely. And this is the Rumah Besar actually, for example, one villa. All of this actually are villas. So believe me or not, many expats living here in Umalas. And I'm walking a little bit on one of the main streets here a little bit. And this is the front, the sales gallery here. I also realized many of the words on this one is in Russian, so I'm thinking it's not a big surprise nowadays in Bali. And that's how does it look like. Sales gallery, they have a security, construction. Yo, what's up? Hi there. Just showing the beautiful place. What you will.
Because we have a marketing, you just to.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah?
I just tell to the people as I cannot show. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. No worries. Sorry for the inconvenience, okay? Thank you. So that's how does it look like. I cannot show you, this beautiful guy tell me that. So the things getting serious when you are just trying to show something in Bali, and even I get close, not even get close enough. I already spoke with security as I'm not allowed to show anything here around. So yeah, at least you know, I'm gonna go to different location, show you something where maybe actually area is a little bit more friendly. But well, in general, everything is friendly here. Construction is construction. Check this out here, I'm gonna show you. There is something also interesting. And somebody here, actually, they own 2 electric cars and the Mustang Cabriolet. So it's very actually interesting part of Umalas, very interesting. Now you know what to expect, but I'm gonna show you where is more restaurants, maybe perhaps. Maybe they are more friendly than the construction zones. Alright, I just moved more deep inside the Umalas. There's some new cafe here. Actually, there's so many new cafes and old cafes. Many of you maybe remember the cafes nearby Seminyak, which is the Nook, for example. That's the old part. This is no more into Canggu Berava. Actually, behind these buildings is Canggu Berava already. There's little shortcut, and there's some new cafes here, and there is the tennis place, and there's so much construction everywhere, and the land is actually pretty big, and it's not like a small small gangs, small alleys like anywhere else in Bali. Here as Curry, they built little bit all, you know, with the plan. They trying to make it bigger, but at least this one, there where I'm going now, there's small road as well, as always actually. Sometimes scary to drive. So technically this is the Dharma residence Umalas, that's the name, and there will be brand new restaurant here in the corner in the nearest future, and that's the road, and so many, well, restaurants, real estate agents, and everything is here. Yeah, Liga Tennis is here. If you go there, there will be the shortcut to Umalas. I'm heading just now. As you can see, so many cafes and boutiques, and some people even trying to walk. Just the sun is facing there, so I think I have to change direction. Go first there and then come back to show you in better quality. This is one of the junction here and little bit of the traffic situation. That's how does it look like. As you can see, mix between locals and the foreigners. Some of them, they are expats here, some of them, they are tourists here, because there are many of these villas for rent actually as well. Land plots for sale over there. I will zoom it for you. As you can see, everything is for sale here and prices are horrendous. I will show you what I'm talking about. There's Asia Pacific, some medical center and Circle K. And this is the La Fabrica restaurant here actually right now. Not so long ago was not much here. Everything here is pretty new, like up to 5 years or even less. La Fabrica is here. It's a nice place. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. Also, actually a lot of expats and tourists in this area recently. But this is the one of the reasons what I said last time why they are moving and why I'm making this video. Well, La Fabrica, nice place, and I'm gonna show you they have a old solar petrol distribution or the diesel distribution in this particular moment, and so many beautiful places like this one, the buildings, the architecture, the places. And somewhere here is there also the real estate, so I wanted to show you also the restaurants here and there, everywhere. Yeah, that's how does it look like. Yo, what's up? How you doing? 7 a.m. Yeah, Nesba, 7 a.m. Yeah. 7 a.m. is the nice cafe here also. As you can see, a little bit similar concept to some Ubud cafes. So many people already inside. Well, Vespas. Well, that's life in Umalas. Seems good for some people. As you can see, another restaurant here, the Grand Ban Canggu. I don't know, Django, the Django. Almost like Canggu, but Django. That's how does it look like a little bit. I have to be careful so they're not gonna drive into me. That's actually serious. Last time I was passing here a few days ago, there was actually the sign as somebody selling land here in Umalas in the area, 8 ara of land, which is 0.19 acres. For 8 billion rupiah, which is like, well, I don't even know how much is it, like $600,000 American, something like that. So the prices here are horrendous recently, but that's how does it look like in Bali. And well, going back, as you see, this is only small part here what you can expect. Of course, everywhere around, there are so many villas, restaurants, cafes, brand new construction of kinda condominiums, what they didn't let me to film for some reasons. But this is also one of the reasons why usually I cannot film the hotels and stuff like this one. It's not that easy as some of you guys may think, as I can just go and film whatever I want. This is a little bit more difficult than in Singapore recently, because in Singapore actually everybody are happy wherever I film. I never got any problems with filming in Singapore. Anyways, this is also nice gelato shop. I mean, like, technically this is only gelato shop, Vilo, and they make it like beautiful construction, actually pretty cool. And then on the other side is the Liga Tennis. I'm gonna try to walk around somewhere there and show you rest of the land, what left here, overlooking the Canggu Berava. So as you can see, there is the cafe in the corner. Some people are still there. And on the other side of the street, there is still piece of the rice field and the brand new villa actually, and the construction still. So I can tell you, keep this video in mind, because this rice field in the very nearest future gonna disappear. That's 100% without any doubts. I'm sure about that. That's actually sad reality, but that's gonna happen. So it's the rice field. I was sitting here a few days ago, there was the farmer working in this rice field, but not today. And also over there where you can see these buildings, over there is already Canggu Berava. And basically that's how does it look like. And there is also a little doggo here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's hot already recently. I'm trying to make this video at morning today because in Umalas it's hard to make it afternoon. What I wanted to say for everyone who know the other part closer to Seminyak, because this area actually grew so much since the past decade, starting from Seminyak, growing up to Berava and now connecting together as well. If you are not familiar, you couldn't even see the difference between Seminyak and Canggu. Like, well, there is actually a little bit different vibe because only restaurants and stuff, but it grows so big in general, right? So in case if you ask how is the Nook, how's the restaurants nearby Seminyak, there everything is growing there. They also renovated. They have actually, Nook is actually very big right now. Everything is there. If you like, I can make a video there, but today I wanted to show you this part, the newer part of Umalas. If you're familiar with the area, you might be interested. If you're not familiar with the area, you see this first time, let me know in the comment section what do you think. You might like it here, or maybe it's too small, or maybe it's like, I don't know, you like it or not, just let me know. I'm going to have a coffee in this place. It's also new. This is how does it look like inside the cafe. Actually, I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Nice views overlooking the rest of the rice fields, what left here, but it's aircon and everything, so it's cool. And that's my breakfast for 50k like, which is actually pretty nice looking. I'm gonna tell you, cappuccino and Sayang on the laptop. Bye Sayang, see you tomorrow, bye.